Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to permanently delete your Facebook account in 2025. So whether you are leaving for privacy reasons or just taking a break, I will show you exactly where to go. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for facebook.com in your laptop or PC. If you are following the same steps in your mobile device, you need to simply launch your Facebook app and then you need to log in into your account. Over here, you need to click on your profile icon, then go to the settings and privacy, then click on the option of settings. In your settings, in the left hand section, you will see account center. So here click on the option of see more in accounts center and you will be landed on this page. Here in your profiles, you will see all of your profiles that are created on this particular email address of yours. You will see all of your pages and all of your linked Instagram accounts as well. So here you need to just hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of password and security. In your password and security, you need to make sure that you turn off the two-factor authentication first, then click on the personal details. Here you will see your contact information and the fourth option will be account ownership and control. After clicking on this option, you will see deactivation or deletion. So if you click on this option, you need to select that particular profile which you want to delete. So after selecting your profile, it will ask whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your Facebook account. So you can select the deactivation as well, but I'm assuming that you want to delete your account. So after selecting delete account, simply press continue in the bottom right hand corner. Now select why are you deleting your account, basically the reason from this given list. So after selecting it, press continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now continue again and provide your password here. So you need to simply just press continue in the bottom right hand corner again, and Facebook is going to give you 30 days to change your mind. So if you don't log in during that time, your account will be permanently deleted. Basically your Facebook account is going to be taking 30 days to delete your account permanently, and in that 30 days you can basically come and log in into your account, and in order to delete it again, you need to follow the same steps again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.